Now let's look at the swivel plate type caster. These casters are used primarily for large flat surface areas. So first, with your furniture item upside down, you'll want to locate where your casters are going to go. Then, holding the swivel plate, you need to mark the holes. Now, we want to drill pilot holes. You need to make sure that your drill bit is about half the diameter of your screws. Alright, let's clean off our sawdust. Once the pilot holes are drilled, position the caster over the holes and then screw in the screws that were provided. Piece of cake. Repeat the process 3 more times and that's it. You've got a personalized storage space. Now, thanks to cool casters, I've transformed my ordinary furniture piece into something extraordinary.